Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Seedtime Garden Planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Seedtime is a garden planning app designed to help users schedule, organize, and track their gardening tasks throughout the growing season. It provides a visual calendar based on your specific location, showing when to seed, transplant, and harvest different crops. The app is available on both iOS and Android and includes features like task reminders, crop timelines, and guided educational content to help gardeners plan efficiently. The app's main feature is its timeline-style calendar. It shows exactly when to start seeds indoors, when to transplant outdoors, when to fertilize, and when to harvest. It also adjusts these timelines automatically based on your climate zone. Seedtime includes a digital journal, garden notes, and videos that explain concepts like succession planting and seasonal gardening. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how easy it becomes to visualize their gardening schedule, especially for beginners who struggle with timing. The location-based planning tool is accurate, and the app's lessons help users understand planting methods more clearly. The task reminders and crop-specific timelines are especially helpful for those managing multiple plants at once. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features, including detailed plans and extended crop timelines, require a subscription. A few users note that the interface may feel overwhelming at first due to the number of tools available. Because it relies on accurate local climate inputs, effectiveness may vary in regions with unusual or unpredictable weather patterns. In summary, the Seedtime app may be worth using if you want a simple, visual way to plan your garden, track tasks, and follow accurate planting timelines based on your location. However, if you prefer manual planning or don't want to pay for premium gardening tools, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.